13,000 lang ang monthly down payment mo for this modern, complete finish house and lot here in Cavite. At 12 months to pay lang yan. Kahit wala kang pag-ibig financing, pwedeng-pwede ka dito magkaroon ng sariling bahay. Sulit na sulit ka rin talaga dito dahil free na rin ang fence and gate upon turnover. So kung anong nakikita mo sa house tour video na to, eto na mismo ang marireceive mong bahay. So paano? Tara tripping na tayo. Hi, it's me again, Cara Pepita Sabido for another complete finish home tour. And this is our Portico Hills Parker model. Modern at aesthetic ang layout at literal na complete finish ang turnover kaya wala ka nang iisipin at lilipatan mo na lang talaga to. Floor area is 60 square meters, lot area is 51 square meters na. So you have 3 bedrooms, 2 toilet and bath, provision for a carport na half is covered na rin. Bonus nga dahil may balcony na rin tong kasama. At alam mo ba na naka-free na rin ang move-in fee natin kaya wala ka na talagang other charges na babayaran. And tama narinig mo, 6 to 12 months to pay lang ang down payment at 13,000 per month lang ang DP. Once approved ka ng bangko, pwede mo nang lipatan ng bahay. Total package price is 3.6 million pesos only at available to through bank financing. And your estimated monthly amortization ay nasa 26,000 a month lang with required income na 72,000 a month at pwedeng-pwede ka pang mag-co-borrower maximum of 2. Kaya naman kung complete finish house and lot ang hanap mo, na pwedeng-pwedeng malipatan in less than a year or at least 1 year, si Portico Hills na ang para sa'yo. At 5% lang pala ang total down payment nito or 181,000 kasama na ang reservation fee na 20,000. Kaya naman kung nagmamadali ka lumipat, you can pay that spot also. Maliit lang din pala ang community natin kaya naman makakasigurado kang exclusive talaga ang ating subdivision. So paano? Tara tripping na tayo para mas ma-appreciate mo to. Link in bio or caller message us in our Viber, WhatsApp at IMO number. See you soon at paalam!